The top 3 trails that you must do at Glacier National Park. Number 3 on the list is the Grinnell Lake Trail. This is a beautiful hike to one of the many glacier lakes in the park. Our family decided to take the boat option from Mini Glacier Hotel because it cuts about 2 miles off the hike and the lakes were beautiful. The shuttle service is offered through Glacier Park Boat Company. The boat takes you across Swift Current Lake, where you then do a steep 0.2 mile hike to your next boat ride across Lake Josephine. Number 2 boat. If you look very closely, there is a moose out that window. The hike to Grinnell Lake is about 3.4 miles round trip from the second boat. The trail is considered easy to moderate in difficulty, making it accessible for families and less experienced hikers.
Wait, let me take, I want. Come on, Porter, you can do it. No, you don't. It's so cold. I can't even make it over there. My feet are numb.
This lake was very, very peaceful and freezing.
It's numbing. Oh my God. It's like piercing.
Number 2 on the list is the Hidden Lake Trail, which is a 2.7 mile round trip trail that leads to amazing views of the Hidden Lake in Glacier National Park. The trail starts at Logan's Pass, which is the highest point on the Going to the Sun Road. I would suggest that this is the first hike you do in the morning because of the parking lot filling up very early. We got there around 8 o'clock and had to wait about 15 minutes for a parking spot to open up. Don't forget your hiking boots, as it is very steep and rocky with a lot of snow, even in July. So poles would be a great idea as well.
I don't know if you can see it. There's 2 big horn sheep right there. And there's 2 more right there. They're all right here. Come here. They're all right here.
2,000. Come here.
I'm just filming. We'll have to take pictures later.
This hike truly sets the tone for what you will be discovering as you venture throughout the park. The hike is filled with wildlife as we saw a lot of mountain goats and bighorn sheep from afar.
Those are mountain goats.
That was pretty cool. Yeah, it's snowboarders came up here.
It's a beaver.
No, it's not.
It's a beaver.
It's not a beaver.
It's a mean chipmunk.
When you reach the lookout of the lake, you can actually hike the 1.4 miles round trip down the steep grade to get a closer look of the lake, but unfortunately on this day it was closed due to bear activity. And number 1 on the list is Avalanche Lake Trail. The trailhead is not far from the west entrance, just past Lake McDonald. We parked at the Avalanche campground and started at the Trail of the Cedars, which is a popular and scenic boardwalk trail. One of the highlights along the trail is the Avalanche Gorge, where the creek flows through a narrow, rocky canyon.
Here, you should see it here. Here. Did you see it there?
This trail is one of the most popular trails in Glacier due to the lake's incredibly clear blue water and the views you will see during the entire hike.
These are like re-wedding jobs for actual contracts.